A BPO employee who asked to remain anonymous says workers in the industry are facing unfair treatment but are not speaking out because of fear of losing their jobs. Prince Moore has the details.
The employee told TVJ News the poor treatment has not abated with the current work-from-home arrangement due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The first complaint relates to salary.
We're told that, you're working from home, so you're supposed to maintain the same level of transparency that you maintain when you're in office. However, I don't think we're being treated as if we were in office, because if we have an issue with our system or anything of the sort, and it causes us to log out to get it straightened out, then we are not paid for the time out of the phone. We're being told that that is considered unproductive hours.
She says if the workers were in office, they would not have been penalized for a system problem. In addition, the employee says her electricity bill has more than doubled, and the company has indicated that no help will be provided. The call center employee gave details on what she described as restrictions.
We have a lot of things that we are hearing. Oh, you have to do it this way because the client wants it this way. You cannot be this, you cannot be that. When you work at a call center, and this is the honest truth, you do not have a life. You're told you work 24/7, and you have to sign off on that. So it's either you take it or leave the situation. And persons such as myself, yes, we are truly grateful that we are able to work from home. We still have a job, but we are also human beings, and being treated unfairly, it's irritating. Because if they're telling us to do this, but then you're doing something totally different. And we are complying with all the rules and restrictions, and we are trying our best, but that seems to still not be good enough. So if the Prime Minister is listening, please, sir, I'm asking you to see if you can implement something that protects your people.
She says the voices of BPO employees need to be heard.
Now, I understand that the Prime Minister encouraged the whole call center situation, but I'm hoping that he can reevaluate certain things about it, like consider getting a union for us here. Because at the end of the day, they are more seeking out Jamaicans, because I am of the understanding that we will accept them at a lesser rate. So they're quicker to come here. So he should be the one protecting us then. Organize a union for us, allow us to have a voice, because honestly we don't.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.